In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Calendly with your LinkedIn account to enhance your professional networking experience. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be able to manage your scheduling more efficiently right from LinkedIn. First and foremost, ensure you are logged into both LinkedIn and Calendly. This is crucial, as it ensures a smooth connection between the two platforms. Once you have confirmed that you are logged in, head over to the Calendly homepage. Here, on the left-hand side, you'll find a panel filled with various options. Look for the option titled Integrations and Apps. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities as Calendly offers numerous integrations with other platforms to enhance its functionality. As you browse through the available integrations, scroll down until you find LinkedIn. It may be tempting to get distracted by the myriad of options, but stay focused. LinkedIn is the goal here. Once you spot it, click on LinkedIn to proceed. After clicking, you will find an option to download an extension. Specifically, look for and click on Download for Chrome. This extension is what will link your Calendly and LinkedIn accounts, making the scheduling of meetings a breeze straight from your LinkedIn profile. Once you hit the download button, your browser will take you to a new window. Here, you'll be asked to confirm the addition of the extension to Chrome. All you need to do is click Add to Chrome. This action is like giving your browser permission to work its magic, placing the Calendly tool within reach whenever you are on LinkedIn. And there you have it. With the extension successfully added, you can navigate LinkedIn with the power of Calendly right at your fingertips. This integration allows you to join the ranks of professionals who manage their schedules effortlessly, ensuring they never miss an important meeting or connection opportunity. Remember, linking Calendly to LinkedIn not only saves you time, but also presents a more organized front to your professional contacts. This small tool can significantly impact how others perceive your readiness to engage and connect. Enjoy the newfound convenience and make the most out of this integration, knowing your networking and scheduling has been taken to the next level. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.